why do you think that the market, and when I say market, I mean specifically brokerages, why do you think they're not buying this story of being ahead of the curve, investing for the future? Why is it that they consistently use the word disappointed whenever they're talking about
Well, the collective wisdom and expectations of analysts, investors is often driven by several technical and fundamental factors that may differ in time horizon from an organization perspective. While in the longer term, the steady progress that, let's say, we are making gets reflected in its valuation. However, in the medium to short term, there may be disconnect with regards to expectations, and rightly so. There are some investors who are large investors in us might feel that they can potentially have other investment ideas, while there are some investors who are buying during the dip. I think the expectation on Axis built up based on performance of some of the others. And so there was a bit of a run-up of our prices before our results. And I guess in their minds, the NIM was a disappointment and the growth on some parts of business was disappointment. So they thought that, we need to demonstrate more kind of consistently in the market before, they feel good about our results. As I have said, we believe very strongly that we have made significant progress towards our ambition to build a sustainable, future-ready bank. And that is reflected in the key focus areas within the GPS framework. I am proud of how the team has rallied, the projects we are undertaking, the results of those projects which are coming through slowly and gradually. There is a positive cultural change within the bank, reinforced by the steady improvement of all matrices across business segments. Now, if some other bank has been at it for a slightly longer time, getting the benefit of it now, great. We will get there. And in that sense, our asset quality issues are over. We believe our asset quality is slightly better than some of the others. We believe our investments in digital and technology will start bearing fruit soon. We are in touch regularly with all the fintech firms. And when you go and check on the ground, you will hear them say that no Axis, you see a different Axis. You go and check with our competitors and they will tell you that they find a different Axis. But it does take time. If you want to build the right granular franchise, it takes time to get there. Because if you do things in a hurry, you will get a short-term benefit, but in the long run, nothing would have changed. So from that perspective, we will keep doing what we believe is right. We should not be swayed by some of these, short-term factors. We do hear them. We do realize we have work to do, and we will keep working hard to get to the goals. And when people are tough on us, I think it spurs us even further because, we have to hear what they're saying. When I say they, I mean the analysts and the investors. But we can't move away from the clearly defined strategy of GPS because we know that will ultimately get us to the, right level of performance. Like, for example, even the subsidiaries, the top 4 subsidiaries will touch more than 1,000 crores of profit, this year. When I joined, it was 350 crores odd. Our subsidiaries have done very, very well in the last, 2.5, 3 years. A lot of investments have gone in, right management team has been brought in, they have scaled up, their market share has improved. That's another feather in our cap where Axis subsidiaries were earlier very, very small in comparison to some of the other larger players. So in that sense, I'm confident that this general progress all around will ultimately add up in terms of our numbers, add up in terms of some of the areas which people have talked about that Axis needs to beef up its performance. We will get there, but I don't want to do any short-term thing in the process. So in that sense, I agree that there is still some distance to travel in terms of profitability and growth. We are working on some various initiatives. We know what those initiatives are. We know what the outcome of those initiatives should look like if we execute well. And that's where the confidence stems from, that finally, ultimately, our performance will reflect what we believe this platform is capable of delivering. And it is capable of delivering as good as anyone else out there.